still generate your information from there. And our graduates, we are happy. We are happy that we can have a tour. Maybe we can reach. This year's conference is critical as it helps stakeholders to have a scorecard, look into the success and mitigate any gaps that the curriculum may have faced 5 years on. As usual, we expect an array of high-level thought leaders in the education sector who will help us deliberate on the issues over the course of the 3 days we shall be here, led by our Cabinet Secretary, Professor George Magoha, and Principal Secretary, Early Learning and Basic Education, Dr. Julius Joan. We are confident that the conference will allow us to exchange views, share experiences, and find solutions with other head teachers, colleagues, friends, and stakeholders for the betterment of our leaders and schools.